Tornado warning. I missed the tones because I was Facebooking. My prayers for those people being hit by this storm.
The National Weather Service in Little Rock
Golf ball
has issued
size
a
hail.
tornado warning for northeastern Montgomery County in western Arkansas, west central Garland County in central Arkansas, until 5 p.m. At 4:29 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Mount Ida, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and golf ball size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Mount Ida, Malden, Story, Crystal Springs Landing, Washita, Hurricane Grove, Fanny and Silver.
There's no precautionary/preparedness action.
Severe